Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I wanted to show you the way how you can repost someone else's Instagram story to be your own. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and you just need to sign in with your account, and then next you just need to open the Instagram of someone that you want to repost here, and then you just need to go screenshot into this Instagram story. And the next thing you just need to go and then swipe your screen into the right side so that you will have an access into the Instagram story camera. And the next you just need to post the photo that you have been screenshot here. You can include it, the username of the Instagram user, and then you just need to tap into your stories. And now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and let's meet again into other tutorial.